Mastering Subtraction Equations, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mathematics, specifically focusing on subtraction equations. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about English mathematical terms, this video will break down everything you need to know about subtraction equations in an easy-to-understand manner. Let's get started. Subtraction is one of the four basic operations in arithmetic, alongside addition, multiplication, and division. It's essentially the process of finding the difference between two numbers. For example, in the equation 5 minus 3 equals 2, 5 is the minuend, 3 is the subtrahend, and 2 is the difference. Subtraction is symbolized by the minus sign. A subtraction equation is an equation that involves the subtraction operation. It consists of two parts: the equation itself and the equality sign, which shows that two values are equal. For instance, 7 minus 4 equals 3 is a subtraction equation where 7 minus 4 equals 3. In subtraction equations, we often find an unknown value, represented by a letter such as x, making the equation look like x3 equals 4. To solve a subtraction equation, especially when looking for an unknown value, we need to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. For example, in the equation x5 equals 10, we add 5 to both sides of the equation to solve for x, resulting in x equals 15. This method ensures that we keep the equation balanced and find the correct value of the unknown. Practicing with different subtraction equations can help solidify your understanding. Start with simple equations and gradually move on to more complex ones involving larger numbers or multiple steps. Remember, the key to mastering subtraction equations, like any mathematical concept, is practice and patience. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the concept of subtraction equations. We hope this video has been informative and has made understanding and solving subtraction equations more accessible. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.